Dysfunctional relationships are the ones that say the same. But is it worth it to make you worth it? Yeah, my heart says you deserve it. Yet you know that we should burn it. And right now I can't really word it, but maybe this is the best thing or that worst time of my life. I used to picture us together with some kids, a house, my wife. But it's just a fantasy and I'm glad to see you really have found your way. Haven't talked to you in a couple days and hopefully you're doing okay. And things happen for a reason. That's what you always say. So tell me the reason why your name is on my phone and it vibrates. So we'll just wait and see what it's meant to be. Never really want for monogamy. I'm not in the way. And you know you made me that way. And I really wish you had stayed. Left me here alone, awake. I'm just sitting here until late and I'm just drowning down your name away. Fuck you, drive a Volvo. Fuck. Kom mee. Every time I hear a beat, only your name just keeps on blurting out. Not saying that I hate it, but when I look at you, yeah, I'm falling down so helplessly. I guess I'm consumed, but we could never last. And you know that these moments last, so we go back to the arguments and this shit before. I don't even want to go back. No need to be so serious. Your anger makes you delirious. Would you let me inside? It's cold outside. Sometimes